Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to find area of the triangle when the vertices are given to you. Let's get started. Area of the triangle when vertices are given to you. Let A1, B1, B, A2, B2, C, A3, B3 are given to you. Then the area is given by half modulus A1, B1, the first coordinate, A2, B2, the second coordinate, A3, B3, the third coordinate, and then A1, B1 again. You have to repeat the first coordinate again. Whatever you take the coordinate as a first coordinate, but you have to repeat the same coordinate again. Now how we are going to solve it? That is equals to half mod. I need to multiply A1, B2, and then I have to subtract B1, A2. So that is equals to A1, B2 minus of B1, A2. Now I have to multiply A2, B3, and then I have to subtract B2, A3. It's given by A2, B3 minus of B2, A3. Now I have to multiply A3, B1, and then I have to subtract B3, A1. So it will be plus A3, B1 minus of B3, A1, and then put the mod again. This is our area of the triangle when the coordinates are given to us. Now let's take example. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A0, 0B and A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2. As you can see that area is equal to half. A0 I took it as a first coordinate, then 0B, A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2. Then I repeated my first coordinate A0 again. Now how we are going to solve it? That is equals to half. I need to multiply AB and then I have to subtract this. So it will be AB minus 0 times 0 is 0. Now I have to multiply 0 times A plus B by 2 and then I have to subtract B times A plus B by 2. So that is equals to 0 minus of B times A plus B by 2. Now I have to multiply A plus B by 2 times 0 and then I have to subtract A times A plus B by 2. Now that is equals to 0 minus of A times A plus B by 2 and put the mod again. Now how we are going to solve it? That is equals to half mod AB minus of, if I open the bracket, it will be BA plus B square by 2 minus of, open the bracket here again, A square plus AB by 2. That is equals to half mod AB minus, open the bracket, AB by 2 minus B square by 2 minus A square by 2 minus AB by 2. As you can see that I have to solve AB by 2 and AB by 2. So that is equals to half mod of AB minus B square by 2 minus A square by 2. So as you can see that AB got cancelled with AB. That is equals to half mod of negative B square by 2 negative A square by 2. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take negative as a common factor. That is equals to half mod of negative as a common factor outside, B square by 2 plus A square by 2. Put the mod again. Now because my answer inside the mod is negative, I have to take the positive answer. My answer will be half bracket B square plus A square by 2. If you multiply the denominator, it will be B square plus A square by 4. That is your answer for the area. Now let's take one more example. The vertices of the triangle are A minus 2, 0, B 5, 0 and C 1, 4. Find A, the length AB. Second, the area of the triangle A, B and C. Now let's take the coordinate axes. As you can see that I have plotted it for you. The point A minus 2, 0 lies on the x-axis. As you can see that it lies on the x-axis. B 5, 0 also lies on the x-axis. As you can see that. See 1, 4, I have plotted it for you. Now join these 3 points, you can see your triangle. Now I need to find out the length AB. As you can see that the length AB is the distance between the point A and B. You can see that it is 2 units from the origin to the left, and on the right it is 5 units. So the total units is 7 units. So the length, the distance between AB is given by 7 units. Now I need to find out the area of the triangle. As you know that area of the triangle is half base times height. Now my base is 7 and my height is 4. Let's substitute that value here. That is equals to half, base is 7 and height is 4. So 2 will got cancelled with 4, so it will be 2. So my answer will be 14 unit square. That is my area for this triangle. Now because the coordinates are given to us, so we will solve it with one more method. Now let's take the second method. Now area of the triangle is given by half. I took the minus 2, 0 as the first coordinate, 5, 0, 1, 4 and minus 2, 0. Again I repeated my first coordinate. Now how we are going to solve this? This is equals to half mod. I have to multiply minus 2, 0 and then I have to subtract 0 times 5. So that is given by 0 minus 0. Now I have to multiply 5 times 4 and then I have to subtract 0 times 1. So 5 times 4 is 20 minus 0. Now I have to multiply 1 times 0, then I have to subtract 4 times negative 2. So 1 times 0 is 0 and then negative of negative 8. Put the mod again. That is equals to half mod of 20. Negative negative is positive 8. Put the mod back again. That is equals to half mod 28. Because my area is positive here, so I don't have to do anything here. So that is equals to 28 by 2, which is equals to 14 units square. I got the same answer what I got it earlier. Let's take one more example. Calculate the area of the triangle ABC. Find the length AF. They have given the diagram for you. As you can see that on the coordinate axis, the coordinate A is 6, 4, B is 14 minus 1 and C is 2, 4. Now I need to calculate the height AF. For this AF, CB is the base. Now because I don't have the height, to calculate the area of this triangle, I need to figure it out different height of that triangle. So if I consider that AC is the base, so I have to find out the height of the triangle. What I have drawn it? I have drawn one, as you can see that the dotted line here, and I joined it with B, which cuts at the point G. So as you can see that the G has the X coordinate as 14 and the Y coordinate as 4. This is again the right angle triangle. Now in this triangle, the base is AC and the height is considered as BG. Now if we see that it is 4 units above the x-axis and 1 unit below the x-axis. So the total height is given by h is equal to 5 units. Now let's apply this formula here. Half base times height. Now our base is AC and my height is BG. Now let's calculate that. That is equals to half AC is root of x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus 4 the whole square. Put the bracket here. Now BG is equal to 5. That is equals to half root of 4 square plus 0 square. Put the bracket close and multiplied by 5. That is equals to half root of 4 square multiplied by 5. That is equals to half root of 4 square is 4 times 5. 2 will got cancelled with 4 and the value will be 2. 5 times 2 is 10 units square is the area of the triangle. Because we have the coordinates given to us, we will solve it with the second method also. Let's see the second method. So area of the triangle is given by half. First coordinate I considered as 2, 4. Then 6, 4, 14 minus 1 and then I repeated my first coordinate 2, 4 again. Now let's solve that. that is equals to half. I need to multiply 2 and 4 and then I have to subtract 6 times 4. Take the mod here. 4 times 2 is 8 minus 6 times 4 is 24. Now I have to multiply 6 times minus 1 and then I have to subtract 4 times 14. So I have minus 6 times 56. Now I have to multiply 14 times 4 and then I have to subtract 2 times of minus 1. So that is equals to 56 minus of minus 2. Take the mod back again. Half mod of 8 minus 24 minus 6 minus 56 plus 56 negative negative positive 2. As you can see that 56 will got cancelled with 56. That is equals to half mod 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 minus 24. Put the mod back again. So it is equal to half negative 20. Now because my area is negative, so I have to take the positive sign. So my answer will be 20 by 2. If you cancel that, your answer will be 10. So it is equals to 10 units square, which is the same as I got it earlier. Now I have the area. Area is equal to half base times height. As you can see that area is equal to 10 units square and half base is now CB and height will be AF, which I have to figure it out. Now let's see the distance CB. As you can see that the point C is 2, 4 and B is 14 minus 1. Now let's find out the distance between them. Distance is given by root x2 minus x1, 14 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 4 the whole square. That is equals to root of 12 square plus minus 5 the whole square. That is equals to root of 144 plus 25, which is equals to root of 169, which is equals to 13 units. Now I need to put it back in the area formula. Area is equal to half base. Now base is 13 and the height, as you can see that AF is equal to H. So height is H. Now area is equal to 10. That is equals to half 13 times H. Now what I have to do is I have multiplied this full equation with 2. So what will happen here? It will be 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to half 13 times H multiplied by 2. So 2 will got cancelled with 2. My answer will be 20 is equal to 13H. Now what I have done here? I have divided the both sides with 13. So H is equal to 20 over 13. 13 will got cancelled from here. So my height AF is given by 20 over 13 units.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.